Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking a streaming-friendly VPN and buying a plan. Choose one with servers in the country you want. Next, install the official iOS app from the App Store and sign into your account. When the app asks to add a VPN configuration, tap Allow. This lets iOS route traffic through the VPN. Once that configuration is approved, unlock the app and prepare to select a server. Don't connect yet. We'll pick the best server in the next step. Now open the VPN app and choose a streaming-optimized server in the country whose Netflix library you want. Connect and then check settings. Enable the kill switch and leak protection so Netflix traffic won't leak if the VPN drops. Make sure background app refresh is allowed so the VPN stays active when switching apps. Also permit notifications for connection alerts. If your VPN supports an app-based split tunnel, avoid excluding Netflix from the tunnel. Netflix must go through the VPN to show. With the VPN connected to the chosen country, open the Netflix app and check the available titles. You should see the target region's catalog. If you get the proxy or unblocker error, disconnect and try a different server in the same country, then relaunch Netflix. If problems persist, clear the Netflix app cache by offloading or reinstalling the app, restart your iPhone, and reconnect the VPN. If nothing fixes it, contact your VPN's support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.